Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to integrate Square with QuickBooks Online. Have you ever found yourself juggling between Square and QuickBooks Online, trying to keep your sales data in sync and up to date? It can feel like a daunting task, but integrating these two platforms can streamline your workflow, reduce financial records. Today, we'll walk you through the process of integrating Square with QuickBooks Online, making your business operations smoother and more efficient. To get started, the first step is to log into your QuickBooks Online account. If you haven't set up an account yet, simply click the Sign Up button on the QuickBooks website. As you navigate through the pricing plans, consider your business needs. For instance, if you're just starting out, the Simple Start plan at $15 per month might be ideal, offering essential features to manage your finances. However, if you're looking to scale your operations, the Plus plan at $45 a month provides additional benefits, including unassisted bookkeeping and more advanced tools. Once your QuickBooks Online account is ready, let's move on to Square. If you're new to Square, it's a good idea to reach out to their sales team for a demonstration. This will give you a first-hand experience of how Square can be integrated into your business processes. When contacting the sales team, you'll need to provide your full legal name, zip code, phone number, and other relevant details like your business name and industry. If you're in the US, this process is quite straightforward. Also, make sure to agree to the terms and conditions before proceeding. Now, let's talk about connecting Square with QuickBooks Online using Zapier, a powerful platform for automating workflows. If you already have a Zapier account, you can easily link QuickBooks and Square by clicking on Connect My Apps. Begin by naming your Zap, which is essentially an automated workflow triggered by an event. In this case, the trigger will be an action in Square, such as creating a new appointment or processing a new order. Select the desired event and click Continue. Next, you'll need to sign into your Square account. This will allow Zapier to access the necessary data to perform the integration. For the action, choose QuickBooks Online and decide on the specific event you'd like to automate. This could be creating a new customer, generating an invoice, or any other action that suits your business needs. Once you've set up the action, click Continue and sign into both platforms to authenticate them. After setting up the integration, you can sit back and let Zapier handle the data synchronization between Square and QuickBooks Online. If you prefer using QuickBooks Online's native integration, you can opt for the Get App Now button, which will automatically import sales data from Square, eliminating the need for manual data entry. This integration simplifies your bookkeeping by automatically creating sales receipts and allowing you to import sales details from multiple locations. And there you have it. Integrating Square with QuickBooks Online doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about selecting the right tools and following the steps to connect them seamlessly. That's it for this tutorial on how to integrate Square with QuickBooks Online. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.